Hi Selena and Dylan. Tonight I'm going to do a few improper fraction problems with you, and then tomorrow morning we'll work on some together. So tonight we're going to do problems 1, 2, and 3. So let's take a look at problem number 1. We have 7 divided by 3. Now remember, improper fractions are top-heavy fractions, so we have to tip them over. So for this one, we're going to tip it over. Now, I'm going to look on my number chart and see how many times 3 goes into 7. Three goes into 7 2 times. So then I have to subtract the 6 because 3 times 2 is 6, and I have a 1 left over. So I have a remainder of 1. So my final answer will be 2 1/3, because your remainder always goes over this number. Okay, let's take a look at problem number 2. We have to tip this fraction over, so we're going to tip it over and put 14 there and a 5 right there. Now, I'm going to look at my number chart and see how many times 5 goes into 14. Five goes into 14 2 times. Now I have to subtract the 10, and I have 4 left over. So now we're going to have 2 4/5. Now remember, it's important to pay attention to this right here and make sure that that can't be broken down or reduced anymore. So I'm going to look at 4/5 and make sure that I can't reduce it. I can't reduce 4/5, so 2 4/5 is my final answer. Now, for problem number 3, we're going to tip that one over. And now we have to see how many times 2 goes into 5. After looking at the number chart, I saw that 2 goes into 5 2 times. Now, since 2 times 2 is 4, I have to subtract the 4 from the 5, and I have a 1 left over. Now, with my remainder, my final answer is going to be 2 1/2. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video on improper fractions. I will see you both in the morning.